I finally have another hair video for you guys. I realized that all my hair gadgets video, me testing out hair gadgets, does really well on my channel. But the problem with buying gadgets or hair gadgets is really expensive, okay? Basically, this is what I'm testing out today. One gadget like this will cost me around like, I don't remember. Let me check it out for you first. But I'm so happy I get to wear my comfy shirt right now. Hair messy doesn't matter because I'm doing my hair today, so messy hair is fine. I bought this from Shopee, okay? This is the Pritech or Pritech, but I'm gonna call it Pritech hair straightener. This is not just any other hair straightener, okay? This is hair straightener. This is hair straightener in like an iPad box or like an iPhone box or like an Apple box, okay? They try to replicate the i family. No, they try to replicate the whole Apple feel by just simplicity, minimalistic with Chinese word at the side saying 爱美丽用 I don't know what's that word. I don't know what's that called. And this is not just any other straightener, okay? This is rechargeable straightener, cordless, acts as like a power bank as well. Oh, dun, dun, dun. I'm surprised too. When I first found out about this, I was like, what the heck? Like that also got one, huh? But this is definitely pretty revolutionary, I would say. I mean, I can bring this out, put in my bag, and bring this out to straighten my hair, okay? Like in train or in the bus, you know, suddenly you feel like, oh, your hair's very frizzy. Oh no, I didn't have time to do my hair. I can, no, don't worry, no problem. It's okay. Things have changed now. Thanks to Pritech Cordless Hair Straightener. Do your hair anywhere you want, anytime, anywhere. I think you can find them in Lazada as well, but so far the cheapest one is in Shopee. I bought this from Shopee's official Pritech store on Shopee. This is 66 ringgit. This is like after discount from 119 ringgit. In total, I pay for another product, another hair product, which the review of that or a video of that, first impression of that will be out soon also. I will basically record it another day, okay? I will do a first impression of that product as well. But both of them I paid 112 ringgit. So I buy two and I save like 12 ringgit and 15 cents. So that's pretty much like 10%. I get to save 10% out of my entire thing and also to get like free shipping. Anyway, I'm already like trying to bloody save money for my Sims game and also my new house, trying to save up money for my new house, but yeah, we ended up with this hair tool, okay? I mean, I cannot resist. I need to do this review. I've actually opened it up already because I kind of felt like it probably need charging, and I also wanted to check whether is it working or not and whether is it okay or not. So before I actually gave ratings to the Shopee people or give ratings to the people that I bought from. This one also comes in white or black, so I opted for the black one because I scared I dirty the white one. Even though the white one looks super sleek, this is how it looks like. It's exactly, I put it back to exactly how it looks like. Plastic cover like that, alright? So we're gonna take it out. I remember it's a bit hard to take it out. So beautiful. The black is actually really beautiful. The black and like rose gold detailing, it's really, really beautiful. It's not the shiny type of black, okay? The shiny type of black will make it look like it's super cheap. So you have stuff inside, which all of this stuff that I left it at the bottom is actually inside this box here, right? I just took it out only because I was too lazy to put back into the box. So we have a pouch, we have a brochure, two kiap, one charging wire, pretty long as well, I would say, better than the ones that they give like super short one. Oh, I cannot tahan those people, right? Want to sell tech stuff, right? But they skimp on the length of the wire. Damn irritating shit. I didn't know this, but they actually give you a freaking comb. Ugh, so chanted. So pretty. There are some reviews saying that this one doesn't last long, the battery doesn't last long. According to the actual information, what they claim is that this one, you can actually do your hair for 45 minutes long. So which means that it will stay heated for 45 minutes. So you have 45 minutes to do your hair, okay? This one is made to help you to go out to just touch up your hair, basically. It's not meant for you to do 100% of a full head kind of curl or straightening or whatever. It's more of just going out in case frizzy hair comes and you just need a touch up. This will help to touch up, or just a quick fix basically. This is just that kind of a quick fix kind of solution, not really the full solution to curling hair and beautiful bouncy hair, okay? Like numbers here, the bottom one is the percentage of your battery, They have 50, 75%, and 100%. And the top one is basically the different heat settings for your plate. So we have 165, 185, and 205 Celsius, which is great. I love that this comes in different heat settings because not every hair is the same. Some people with thinner hair don't need that much of heat because otherwise it will damage the hair, while some like stronger hair need like stronger heat to actually help to keep the curls or even to do curls. So there's a button here to kind of open it up. Press it, it will basically open up the straightener. Alright, the iron part is a little bit smaller than I expected. I thought it would be longer, but no, the iron part is actually pretty small. There's two tabs here. The bottom part here is like an on-off switch. You press long, and then there'll be light coming out here, which to shows how many percentage left, how many battery percentage left you have in your straightener. Your heating one is here. You keep pressing. You choose your preferred heat setting. Let's say for me, I'll just go with 185. Alright, it'll keep blinking, 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 and then once it stops blinking, it's just like a white color straight away. There's no more blinks, which means that it's ready to use already. Alright, so I'm just gonna leave it for a while and see how long it takes for it to kind of stop blinking. They claim to be 5 seconds, but actually no, it takes a while longer. Now that when it's heating up, you can actually start smelling the plate heating up. There's like that metal smell already basically. Oh my gosh, my hand is getting more like very pain, like very sore already. Oh good lord, I'm so tired. Show you my hair first. This is how my hair looks like before. 185 really takes a long time for it to heat up, man. Let me feel the plate out there. Yeah, it gets a little bit hot, but not too hot to the point that you cannot touch it. I don't think I can do my full head with this, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna try to do probably like just the bottom of my hair, more of like just straighten the top part and then kind of curl a little bit to the bottom. So that's my plan. Okay. Oh, finally. Okay, stop. So it takes about 5 minutes and 30 seconds for it to be ready, alright? At the 185 degrees one. Seriously, this cap is horrible. Ah! Oh no. Screw this, I'm gonna get my own cap. Ooh. Oh no. Okay, that is one of the problems. I accidentally pressed the button, so it kind of changed the heat temperature for me. But you know what, I don't care. I'm just gonna continue on using this. Okay, it does help a little bit to curl. I think I can tell, but let's try it again. It curls a little bit. So 7 minutes in, it's left 75% of the battery. At this rate, I won't be able to charge my phone at all. I'll give you a separate clip of me charging my phone with this basically. And I'll show you if it works or not, but most probably it will. Not the prettiest, but obviously smaller chunk would be nicer lah. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, so I've done half a head. Okay, this is not even like full curl, just most of it is just curl at the bottom here. I feel like my hair is the type that you curl a bit and then if you don't spray it, it will just kind of go straight again. So yeah, this is half a head where behind is already almost straight already. The front is curled a little bit. It's about 18 minutes. and I've curled somewhat half a head, and I've used up 50% of the battery already at 185 degrees. So it runs out really, really quickly. My hair is not too bad. Like if I use my regular comb, it will look a little bit neater than normal. So this time I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to just quickly run through it like how you would if you are actually rushing and you're in a bus and you're in a train. You're trying to just quickly get all the fizzy hair out, all the flies away, all the baby hairs away, to get it like at least looking a little bit neater. When you're on a bus or on a train, you wouldn't want to part your hair, okay? You wouldn't want to section your hair basically. So what you want to do is just try to use the top layer of the hair and try to straighten it as much as possible. I don't know, I don't really like that sound. I feel like my other straighteners doesn't get me this kind of sound, but this one does. Like it crunching through my dry hair. Can you hear that? It's like... Oof. Give that little wave there, like a little, rather than it being flat as you can see just now. When I do that, it gives a little bit of the volume here while the rest of it being straight. So I would say that, okay, now it's like, oh no. No wonder lah! It went off already! Did I off it? Or is it just... Oh yeah, it's just no battery already. At most 30 minutes of continuous using. Definitely cannot do my whole head if I'm curling my hair. But if to just tame the frizz at the outer layer of my hair and to give a little volume at the front of my hair, that one is fine. Because as you can see just now here, it was really flat. And then what I did was I curl it upwards, and it really helps to give a little volume at this area here, just to give it a little more shape and bounce lah, okay? I think it's okay. It doesn't give me a completely straight look, but it's also probably because the way I straighten my hair, I always like to straighten and then like, ooh, curl in a little bit. That's just how I straighten my hair, not really straighten. That's just how I do my hair. I do like that little wave in rather than just ooh, straight down. I don't really enjoy that kind of look, so I generally always tend to curl in a little bit. Pretty much it. I didn't have the chance to charge my phone with this, but yeah, I'll put another clip of me charging my phone with this once I charge it already, okay? They say 45 minutes of use. It's most probably at the lowest temperature, which is at 165 Celsius. That one, if you have like thin brittle hair, it probably will work for you, but if you're using like 205 degrees Celsius, I don't think so you can last till probably, maybe at most you can last 15 minutes. I don't think you can last for 20-30 minutes with 205 Celsius actually. So I'm just gonna press the button here and keep it locked again. I mean, this is really an unnecessary product. It's not something that I would say is a luxury. It's not really a necessity unless you're really always on the go and you always need to go from like a day meeting to a night meeting, or a day look to a night look kind of feel, where after office hours you just want to kind of give your hair a little zhuzh or zhoosh. So yeah, but other than that, do you really want to carry such... It's not that heavy. Like as a power bank, I've actually carried heavier power bank than this. But then again, as a power bank, this is not very strong. So 2,600 is really not a lot. I can't even fully charge this one phone, okay, with this one battery. Like 100% full battery of this cannot really charge fully for me 100% for this one, okay? So yeah, but do you really want to carry this out as like a power bank? I don't know. I don't think I would. It will only mean something to you if you are really that super on the go kind of girl and you OCD where you just constantly wants to look perfect. Obviously, I would say that being cordless, I love anything cordless, okay? Anything cordless, I will actually try to get them. It's such a like huge thing for me. So like my vacuum cleaner, I needed a cordless vacuum cleaner and I couldn't just have like any cordless vacuum cleaner. It has to be Dyson, and that changed my life. That changed my cleaning life, okay? I love cordless stuff, but I feel this is a little bit not powerful enough for my hair. I feel if I want to do a full head, but definitely good enough if I just want to give my hair a little bit more a neat feeling, like look more presentable if I am rushing out the house all the time. But I'm not that kind of person that I rush out the house. These days my work is always just stay home and work. I'll be very interested to see more prominent brands like Panasonic or Philips, specifically Philips, or even Dyson to come up with something like this. Doesn't have to be a straightener. Anything that is cordless lah, basically. And a charger, power bank for your phone. So anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you learned something. I hope you enjoyed this kind of video, me doing random shit like that from Shopee that's most probably from China. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe!